Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Growing Up by Liza Charlesworth. A kitten grows into a cat. A kitten grows into a cat. A tadpole grows into a frog. A tadpole grows into a frog. A lamb grows into a sheep. A lamb grows into a sheep. A puppy grows into a dog. A puppy grows into a dog. A cub grows into a bear. A cub grows into a bear. A piglet grows into a pig. A piglet grows into a pig. I will grow into a man when I get very big. I will grow into a man when I get very big.